This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on playing 3 different melodies written in tablature. These melodies come from the fun and challenging repertoire portion of the Tablature Book, which is part of my method book series. So, super fun. These melodies come from the classical style. Traditionally, we play the classical style, finger style, but we're going to play them with a pick here. Of course, if you decide to do them with your fingers, that's okay too, but playing these melodies with a pick is really great. It helps us develop our technique playing the guitar. As we're playing these, we're going to jam right along with drums accompaniment, which will keep us in time, and it just makes it a little bit more fun. So in the book, we're going to be on pages 138, 139, and 140, playing songs 186, 187, and 188. Before we start just playing these together, I'm going to go ahead and give a couple little hints. So with number 186, we start off in 9th position. We've worked previously on all the positions along the guitar fretboard, at least all the way up to the 12th position. Those are sort of the positions we play in the most often, I should say. So we start off in 9th position, and then halfway through we're going to switch up to 10th position. So nothing new or challenging there, just a new melody to play in those positions. With number 187, we start off in 1st position, but there's going to be a spot halfway through, once we get about halfway through the song, where we've got to do some shifting to accommodate what's happening. I'm going to start off shifting up to the 2nd position about halfway through the 3rd line, and then up to the 3rd, to the 5th, to the 6th, to the 7th, to the 6th, to the 5th, to the 4th. So we're going to shift all the way up and shift our way back down. You may want to just work out that portion before trying to play it along with me. With number 188, we play a lot of it in 1st position, but as we get started, we got this open string thing happening, and then we're going to be playing the open strings against ourselves playing in 7th position. So we'll be playing in 7th position some, but still using some of the open strings, and then we'll be in 1st position. So 1st position or 7th position, using open strings in both positions, but you just want to watch for that with number 188. Alright, so each one of these is going to happen twice. First at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. These are great songs to work on. Let's go ahead and play them together. right, fantastic. I love doing this sort of thing with you. In the next video, we're going to play some more melodies like this. Really great for our technical development. Super fun to also play. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.